Peace and blessings, family. We back. I'm Chris, McMath Autos, 2385 Wall Street, Suite 119 in Conyers, Georgia. The phone number is 404-719-8355. I got my fat man rag. It's hot here in Georgia. Feel like 200 degrees, but never mind all that, man. We have here today a 2004 Nissan Murano. How many miles? 199,000. Let's just call it 200,000. Because by the time you purchase it, unless you get it today, it's gonna be at 200. Because I'm finna drive this thing, because it's nice. It's nice. Look at it. It's nice. It is all-wheel drive. It is the SL edition. Excuse me, the SL trim. It's a Murano. We got the trailer hitch on the back, hooked up. Dual pipes out the back. Privacy glass in the rear. You got some nice fat 16s on there. Look at them 16s. Yeah, I know it's 2022. Nobody want no 16s. But look at this back, man. Look at that. You put your little dog back there. Everything. Seats fold down. It's a 60-40 split. So fold that up right there. Don't even have to take the headrests off. All right. Full level. Got your cup holders right there. It's not a panoramic, but it does have a sunroof, and the sunroof does work. You got your vents back here in the back for your rear passengers. That's blowing nice and cold. We'll get to that in a second. Finish walking around. Okay. I know what y'all want to know. What imperfections you got, Chris? Y'all only want to know the bad, so I'm gonna tell you a little bit of bad. We got some paint chipping in the front up here. Previous owner tried to paint it. I didn't do anything with it. I'm gonna leave it like that. It helps keep your costs low. All right. Now let's look at the engine, because that's the main thing. That's the main thing. We want the engine. That's the main thing. Let's look that up. All right, so we have the 3.5 V6 from Nissan. You know this in a Nissan Maxima or the 350Z. It's just detuned a little bit. Oh, wow, shit, got the hood shots done. So hood shots need to be done. That's the only thing that hasn't been done on this one. Fresh oil change, just passed emissions. Starts right up. No reported accident. 4 owners. Tires are in decent shape, but you know, this one got a little bubble in it. So I'm gonna say tires are in decent shape, but you may want to get you some. Let's open up the passenger side. From the passenger side, we got power seats, bottom and back. We're gonna go in from the passenger side. All right, the AC is on. You got your heated seats right here. Heated seat control. That's for passenger. That's for the driver. This is your all-wheel drive, locks the diff in, so it's all-wheel drive all the time. Close your door because it's hot out here. Now remember, y'all, it's 2004. So you got your radio controls and settings. This is your radio CD tape player for those of us who still got them. This is your HVAC, your heat in the AC. You got it set at 60. I got the thermostat in there because some of y'all don't be believing, man. Look at that. It is literally at 40. Coming out of the vent, that's 40. That's 50, that's 60. It's set at 60. So this AC is cold, nice and cold. All right. Let's take a look at the sunroof. I'm gonna go ahead. Sorry about that. I'm gonna hit this switch and just pull it back. You rock out. Let the universal sunlight come through. All right. Let's say you don't necessarily want the universal sunlight all the way through. You can go about 3/4 of the way. That's about 3/4. Look at that right there. And then all the way closed. Closes all the way. And then if you press this one right here, it vents out the back. You press it in the front. Closes the vent. Got your shade, it works. No. We'll go hop around. Okay, so here, in my opinion, here's the biggest drawback. I don't know what the previous owner had going on with they behind in this seat, but they were smoking some real hot cigarettes for it to get this bad, in my opinion. But that's the only thing I basically see wrong. You got your armrest right here. It goes forward and back. This is the button to release it right here where my finger is. You release that. I got my cigars in here. There's another 12-volt plug down in there. And this thing is deep, y'all. I just figured this out. Look at that. Take the whole tray out. You put all your little dilly-dallies down up in there. Sit the tray in there. Cover that thing up. Bam, just like that. Got my cup in here. Got the pull out thing for the deep cups. Bam, in there, in like Flynn. Just drop that thing back in there for the shorter ones. Right there. Also on this side, down here you got the 12 volt. Oh, it's in there, right there. There you got the 12 volt. This just passed emissions today. What's today? I think today is August 4th. So it just passed emissions. Some of y'all don't be believing me. Y'all be thinking all used car dealers are, y'all be thinking we lying, man. We don't be lying. Look at that. August 4th, 2022 at 14:14. For those of y'all who don't know the 24-hour clock, that is 2:14 p.m. What's the results? Pass, 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 pass. See that? See, you good, man. I can't even sell it to you if I don't have this paper. I can't even sell it to you. All right, let's walk around. We're gonna walk around to the driver's side, finish this up, then we're gonna get to the test drive, man. Cause it's hot. It's hot. Y'all need to come get this thing. Y'all need to come get this thing. This thing gonna be right at about 58, 59. Got the power windows over here. They work. Driver's side, up, down, passenger side, down, and up. Passenger side, rear, down, and up. Driver's side, rear, down, and up. Look at that. Well, y'all need to come get this thing. Look at that. All right, this right here is for your pedals. Look, press that button, pedals go back. Press it the other way, pedals come to you. I know that might not mean much to y'all in 2022, but in 2004, that was something you wanted. All right. Wow. All right, let's check out AC again. We are still right above 40. It's gonna be about 45 degrees. This one does have the CVT transmission, and it doesn't have any issues. We will get to the test drive and get myself squared away, and we'll be right back. What's up, y'all? So we back. We are back in the 04 Nissan Murano. Do this quick test drive. I need to run get something to eat. My temperature is good. This is the temp right here. It's a wiper blade. Ain't no gas in there. Y'all know how I rock. It's the idle, speed, and the mileage. 199,837. That's neutral. Test drive. There we go. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Now, this Nissan does have a CVT transmission. So it's like one continuous shift or one continuous gear. It doesn't have a hard 1 to 2 or anything like that. It'll just go to overdrive on its own. No leaks, no rattle, rattle, thunder, clatter, boom, boom, boom. Rear brakes are brand new, front brakes are in good shape. Ain't turning just yet, champ. Y'all see all this traffic? This might not have been the way I need to be going. This is the way I'm gonna go. So anyway, got the good cold AC, radio works.
Allianz Constant Series.
Yeah, constant series, yeah, all that. So we got that, circulation, fresh air, auto, AC. This is your mode that'll change right here. So the AC, foot in vent, just the feet right there. There goes the defrost up top, and that's back at front vent at you right there. And boy, do that AC feel good. You got your little cubby holes right here. This is for your power mirror right there. It's on the Cadillac. Hitting all these lights, man. I should have took a route where there wasn't no whole bunch of lights, man. It's busy. I guess, see, you know, I'm gonna take this route. It might be a good thing because you get to see in and out of traffic. You make sure your engine temperature is good. I know I need some gas. Make sure the RPM gauge is not fluctuating. See how it's holding the idle? Good idle. So a lot of times, most things happen while you in stop and go traffic. And we in stop and go traffic. So It's a pretty good car, man. It's a pretty good car. Y'all should come buy this. This is something you should come get, man. I definitely stand behind my product, and this is one of them. And you got the Nissan reliability, man. You got that Japanese reliability. You know what I'm saying? Who don't want a reliable Japanese car? So now you got the nice cush level. You know what I'm saying? The level is level. What else we got? What else we got? Got the big cup holders, and right here is your cruise control, volume for your radio. That works. All right, let's take off. Let's try to get a little speed. I want to get a little speed, and I'm not gonna hold y'all. I'm gonna let y'all go. All right, so we up to 20. Come on now, y'all show the boys some love. 30. Well, as soon as I'm trying to show y'all something, everybody want to drive slow. All right, here we go. 45. 55, 60 miles an hour. You probably ain't gonna be going no faster than that, man. You want to abide by all speed limits. You know what I'm saying? We definitely at a highway speed right now. No rider, thunderclap, no none of that. See that temp? That temp's still good. No check engine lights on. AC still pumping. Making left and right turns. Brakes good. Shift's good. What else y'all be wanting to know? Just had an oil change. Coming up on the school zone, so I'm gonna end this here. But what I will say is, if you made it this far in the video, let me see, how I want to say. If you tell me I need my hood shocks done, Pine Log Park. The key word is Pine Log Park. And you use my mechanic at MegaWorks, I will pay for the hood shocks to be replaced. How about that? I will pay, no cost to you, I will get the hood shocks done at my cost on this particular vehicle. If you made it this far in the video, you say, I need a hood shocks done, Pine Log Park. I got you. I got you. That's my gift to you. All right. So this is Chris, McMath Autos, 404-719-8355. We are located at 2385 Wall Street in Conyers, Georgia, 30013. You can reach us on all socials, McMath Autos. That's even TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Website is McMathautos.com. Peace.